Tree Care's very own tub grinder. What's amazing about this machine is we convert all this wood waste from different tree projects into beautiful, usable mulch. You know, and trees come in all sizes and shapes, and not all of it can be milled into really nice boards. So what we do with the old rotten, funky stuff, you throw it in this thing, and it kicks it out of that conveyor and makes all that wood chip mulch. You know, we give them to Seattle City Parks or any homeowners that want them for their garden beds.
You deliver them?
Yeah, we deliver them. Let me know if you want any. Yeah, amazing machine. This is made right here in Washington State, down by Aberdeen. We're standing on top of a 400 horsepower diesel engine. Yep. All right, here we go.